Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Behavioral Sciences OSPE tutorial on questioning the patient. Questioning the patient is a part of the communication techniques included in our syllabus. So by definition there are three questions: open, closed and leading. The open questions are the ones that can have a wide variety of answers. Open questions would be, how are you feeling today? आप आज कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? Would you like to describe why you came here? आप आज हमारे पास किस लिए तशरीफ लाएं? Such kind of questions are to be used liberally because they elicit a number of responses, and all of those responses are helpful in your diagnosis and the management of the patient through the biopsychosocial model. Next come the closed question. Closed questions are defined as the questions which have a single specific answer. For example, the answer can be a yes or no question, or it can be a question like, what is your name? So quite obviously the other person has only a single name. Or if I ask him, what is your age? So if the person is either 22 or 52, they cannot reply that I am mentally 32 and I am physically 28. Closed questions are to be used less. The less you use them, the better communication you will do. So closed, open questions are to be used more, and closed questions are to be avoided unless absolutely necessary. Next, we come to the third type of questions, the leading questions. The leading questions are those questions which lead you to a specific answer. So if a person comes to you and describes that he has chest pain, कि वो कहे कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरे सीने में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. So a leading question would be, does this pain shift to your to your left arm? Because if it does, it would lead you to a specific answer of a heart-related problem. And if it does not, then it excludes the heart-related problem. So, in summary, you would be asked. In summary, there are three types of questions: open, closed, and leading. Open, which have a multitude of answers; closed, which have a single specific answer; and leading, which lead you towards a specific answer, towards a specific conclusion. Now in the OSPE, you would be asked to use these questioning techniques to know about the disease of the patient. So there's no need to panic. All you have to do is just ask normally. You introduce yourself, then you ask them to introduce yourself, then you ask for your general questions, the consent, the language consent, confidentiality and time constraints, and then you ask, how are you feeling today, or why did you what made you come here today, and accordingly you will proceed. You have finished the closed questions, and then you would ask open questions, how are you feeling today, and after that there would be a specific diagnosis that you will be required to make, and that can only be arrived at by using the leading questions. During this, the examiner might ask you what type of questions you are asking. So it is very important to know which question is of which type. This concludes this session. My name is Ali Said Dumami. Thank you very much.